Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix sudden drop in FPS while playing games and graphics software in Windows 10. So guys, if you are facing this error, so to resolve this issue, firstly click on Start, then type regedit, open registry editor. Now click on File. Now first thing you have to do, export registry editor to your PC. So if you have any type of error, so you can import your registry editor. Then expand H key current user. Then expand system. Now double click on game config store. Now double click on game DVR enabled. Now change value data from 1 to 0. Then click on OK. Now expand HK local machine. Then expand software. Then expand Microsoft. Now find out policy manager. This one, it's policy manager. Expand it. Then expand default. Now expand application management. Now double click on allow game DBA. Now in the last you will see value. So double click on it. Now you will see value data 1. So make value data 0. So make value data 0. Then click on OK. Now close it and restart your PC. So hopefully guys, using this simple and easy method we can resolve and we can fix in Windows 10. We can fix sudden drop in FPS while playing games and graphics software. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video work for you or not.